Hey there, Coohom designer. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting parts of any home design, creating a beautiful and functional living room in Coohom. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to furnish, decorate, and render a professional-looking living room. If you don't know how to furnish and decorate your living room, it can end up looking empty and uninviting. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to design the perfect living room using Coohoms. Whether you're new to interior design or looking to sharpen your skills, this tutorial will help you create a space that truly feels like home. Let's get started. In our previous video, you'll learn how to design and render exterior in Coohom. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check it out, as it lays the foundation for today's project. But now it's time to take things inside and focus on the heart of any home, the living room. Let's start by furnishing our living room. In Coohom, we can find a wide range of furniture models in the public library. First, let's add a sofa. Click on the Furniture option, then click on a 3-seater sofa. Choose a sofa model that fits your design style. This sofa is perfect for this room. Let's drag and drop it into our room, and then adjust its size and position to fit your room layout. Next, add a coffee table. Repeat the process, selecting coffee tables from the categories, and choose a model that complements your sofa. Now, let's add a unique piece of chair. Type rattan chair in the search bar. Select the desired model and drag it into your room design. Now add a bookshelf to our room, because this place is empty. To add it, first we click on Furniture, then select Storage. Then find the perfect bookshelf, but I haven't found the bookshelf that fit in our styles, so we'll use the filter. Click on the Filter button, select IKEA from the brands, and choose a bookshelf model that fits your design style. Next, let's add a TV unit and side table. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more interior design tips and Coohom tutorials. And if you have any questions or need help with your own projects, leave a comment below. Now that we have our furniture in place, let's add some lighting to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Click on the Lighting tab in the top menu. Select Pendant. Choose from various lights. I have already saved the light to my account, so I will add the light into my library. Let's add the light above the sofa. Experiment with different lighting options to find the perfect balance for your living room design. By adding lighting, we've enhanced the overall mood and functionality of our living room. Decorating the living room. Now let's add some decorative items to bring our design to life. Add plants, books, sculptures, frames, and a vase to the bookshelf. Finally, add a flower plant to the coffee table to complete the look. Decorating a room serves several purposes beyond aesthetics. By decorating our living room, we're creating a space that enhances our lifestyle and well-being. First and foremost, decorating allows us to express our personality, values, and style. It's a reflection of who we are and what we love. Now that your scene is ready, it's time to set up the rendering options. Click on the Render button in the top right corner of your screen. Then, we'll click on the pencil icon for manual light settings. I've already adjusted the lights, but I want to show you how I set the light. As you can see, some of the lights are not properly set because I changed the furniture placement, so I'll make a few adjustments. You can adjust the lights in the same way to achieve a perfect rendering. If you want to learn how to render like this, you can check out my previous video on rendering, which I've uploaded on my channel. Please review those. Now, we'll click on Save and then select 1K resolution to check that my light setup is rendered correctly. Then we set the ratio. You'll set the ratio as per your preference. I'll be selecting 4:3 because that's the ratio I want. Now, we'll adjust the camera to get the desired view and save it. We'll review all the settings and then click on Render or Generate. Remember, if you're using an older version, you'll see the Render button. But I'm using the new version, so you see the Generate button. The image has been rendered. Check out this high-quality image. It's beautifully rendered, and you don't need expensive software to achieve this. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more interior design tips and Coohom tutorials. And if you have any questions or need help with your own projects, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.